What are you, living under a rock? Time to plant garlic. Let's get it going. This is round 2 for the overwinter garlic. So this is from the Amish farm. You can see from my Garlic 101 video, I spent about $30 and bought a good hardneck from the Amish. Now this is the second year. I'm going to be reusing what I harvested in the spring. I didn't bother cleaning these and clipping them because the other half I used inside, so those I cleaned, but these I knew I was going to be replanting them. So as you can see, there's a lot here. I'm going down about 3 inches every about 4 or 5 inches, so I get a pretty prolific garlic harvest. And I'm doing it around the perimeter. This way I can plant my seedlings come the end of spring right in the middle, so I can do cucumbers, and then right here I could do my eggplants again. Garlic is probably one of the easiest things to grow. It's a good crop, especially if you're homesteading. You can definitely come up with a lot, and then it keeps multiplying every year. So now I'm going to have about, I would say, 4 to 6 times as many as last year, and I paid $30 for like 2 packs of garlic. Just literally need to go around and pop them in the ground. I don't even think you need to, I never really water them, so at all. I guess the springtime takes care of them. They want to stay dormant all winter, and then the rain comes up, and there you go. Boom, 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 boom. It's really just as simple as that. Now you just come, cover the hole. It's basically how you plant garlic. It's going to get nice and cold and go dormant for the winter. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Okay, that's pretty much it. July they grow, wonderful, and I'll do a video when they start growing in the spring and just show you guys what to do with the scapes when they grow and when is the proper time to harvest them. Alright, take it easy. Hope you enjoyed this video.